In this video, let me show you how to create a BeReal account. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. BeReal is a social media app that promotes authenticity by encouraging users to share unfiltered moments. So unlike other social media platforms, you cannot post multiple pictures or add in filters. BeReal sends you a notification at random time each day, promoting them to post. So in order for you to create an account, make sure you download this application. Once you open up the application, you'll first of all need to add in your phone number. So select your country code first of all and then type in your phone number. This way you can tap on send verification text. This way a 6-digit code will be received on your phone number. You just need to enter it in. Once you add in your code, the first section is going to be to type in your first name. So this is what's going to be displayed in the BeReal account. And then tap on continue. Also make sure to add in your date of birth so that BeReal checks that if you are old enough or not. You'll also need to create a username so that you are visible and people can search you up inside of BeReal. And there you go, your account now has been created. You can start following people and adding in your friends inside of BeReal. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.